Hello everyone and welcome to another video from AriaVision where we're gonna be doing the unboxing of iPhone 12 Pro Max, which is arrived like 30 minutes ago. So let's pick up the box and let's unbox this phone now. So as you can see that this box it's just arrived in this box and it's still not open, so let's open up the box and see how it is. First thing first, let's open up the box. Sorry for the sound, it makes a lot of noise. Alright, so as you can see that it is thanks to Apple, it's very safely packaged, so it was not moving inside the box, so it's quite nice. Let's open up the phone. The plastic will be donated, and there you go. So that is the phone itself, the iPhone 12 Pro Max, 256 GB in Pacific blue color. Alright, so I got here also my iPhone 12 in front of me, so let's sell in the box because it's a gift for someone else. So let's check it, both of them. So the first thing that you can see that iPhone 12 Pro Max is bigger, of course, because it is 6.7 inch display with iPhone 12 6.1 inch display. Okay, so let's open up iPhone 12 Pro Max. Wow, it's amazing. I mean, the color, I didn't expect that it will be so beautiful. So that is actually the iPhone 12 Pro Max. Okay, so let's take the paper off, the protective paper. Wow, it's amazing. I mean, it looks very amazing and it's not slippery anymore. I mean, the iPhone with iPhone 8 Plus, which I'm still using it's kind of still slippery because of the edges, but this phone, it looks amazing. So that is the first plus point of this design. So I'm very glad that actually Apple went back to the design of iPhone 5s or iPhone 4 that you would say. That was one of the amazing designs of Apple. So plus point of this on the design. So that's the phone itself. That's the color, Pacific blue. It looks amazing. And XDR display. So that's amazing. You can also see my LED light. And if you're interested in LED light, please see the link below. Alright, so what else we're getting inside the box? So the first thing which is pops up is this USB-C to Lightning cable. So I will be using that as well. I ordered also separate the plug as well, and also MagSafe, which should be arriving today or tomorrow. Okay, and then we got inside the box, we got the SIM card ejector as always. We got some manuals, which I don't know if you guys are reading it. And of course we got that Apple logo. So I don't know if Apple thinks that people still like to use them or stick them somewhere. It is, I'm so surprised that someone will be using that one, because normally people will be like throwing them away. Okay, so let's compare the color with, of this phone with iPhone 12 Pro. So that is the blue color of iPhone 12 Pro. The iPhone 12, not the 12 Pro. And you got the iPhone 12 Pro Max. So you can see that this one's more blue color, is more blue color than the Pacific blue, which of course it should be that color. I love the color, so that's why I've ordered this color. So iPhone 12 Pro Max comes in 4 colors, as I said before. Alright, so what else I've ordered? I have ordered the protective case of brand called Baseus. I don't know if you guys know it, so if you're not, I will leave a link below. You can, they got some amazing products. And thanks for Baseus to send me 2 covers, one for iPhone 12 and one for iPhone 12 Pro Max. So actually they sent me this covers for free. So Baseus, thank you very much. I will be placing a link to their site or to their AliExpress site as well down. Alright, so why I bought this one? So as usual, always you should protect your phone from day one. You should protect your phone because you don't want if you want some scratches that don't look nice. Alright, so that's protective. As you can see that it's a jelly case, so you can just squeeze them, and it's quite amazing, quite nice. And on the side it got some blue lines or design. So let's start using this phone, and from day one, as you can see, it is just done. Just click. It looks amazing. So once again, Basis, thank you for sending this nice cases. Alright, so I won't be talking a lot much about this phone or what is the specs. You can see the specs right here or right below. Okay, on my next video I will be comparing the video quality and the picture quality of this iPhone against my Canon M50, so please stay tuned for the next video. And thank you for watching this video. Please like, subscribe, like, share and subscribe to my channel. Once again, thank you very much and have a good day.